In this video, I'm going to talk about NRICH. I chose to share NRICH because it aims to enrich the mathematical experiences of all learners by providing thousands of free online resources for pre-K through 12th grade. My goal for this video was to give students a fun way to show their thinking. For example, they can play a collection of games called Is There a Better Way?, where each game has multiple routes to the same solution. Hearing how students arrive at solutions differently will deepen their understanding and broaden their problem-solving skills. This website ensures all students have access to the technology and connectivity necessary to participate in engaging learning opportunities and to develop learning assessments that provide a personalized, actionable view of students' progress in real life time. So looking a little closer at NRICH, across the top, it gives us a couple different tabs that we can click on. It talks about primary students, which is ages 5 to 11. It talks about secondary, which is 11 through 18. Earlies is from 0 to 5 years old. Okay, so there's pre-stages of schooling. Primary teachers gives us some resources for the primaries, so 5 through 11-year-olds. Secondary teachers gives us some additional resources through 6 through 12-year-old. So look at the main page. It kind of talks about some things that we can do for teachers. So once again, early, primary, secondary, which is the same three things that are up here. Okay, and it goes through students. So if we look at primary students, okay, it gives us math at home. So what are some things that they could do at home? Okay, so some features that we can assign to them. Okay, it gives us some news and recent solutions, so things that they came out with. It also gives us activities and games that we can do based on this age group. Okay, and it gives us some ideas on how we can make the kids think mathematically for this age group as well. The same things are in the secondary students, so the same concept, okay, activities, what we could do in a classroom to make them think mathematically, what can they do at home, okay, looking at early childhood or early years, same concept, okay, so some professional development for those teachers. They can go to read a book, okay, watch different events or road shows, read articles. There's a Twitter account, so you can look at what other people have tweeted out to maybe give you some new ideas of what to do in your classroom. Primary teacher is the same thing as a secondary teacher, so we're just only going to look at one of them. Primary curriculum, okay, it gives us curriculum to support primary teachers, so it gives us some curricular activities that we could do. Okay, working mathematically, developing pupils' mathematical thinking. Okay, so different things that we can do in there. Features is pretty cool. It gives us packets that we can assign to students to do at home without a teacher. Okay, we can do live problems. We can print the problems out. Professional development. This was pretty cool. It gives us books that we could read, events, road shows that we could watch, or articles to read through as well. And it also gives us the Twitter things, the same thing on all the slides. Okay, it just gives us some different information about what people have done in their mathematical classroom. This is just a little overlook of NRICH and how you could use it to help enrich your students' learning.